Okay, here it is, guys. Here is a reseller mystery box and a note from the creator of this box. I am so excited to share this with you. Welcome to my channel. I'm Kelly Schaffner. I'm going to put the box down and give you a proper welcome. Hi everyone, Kelly Schaffner here. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is a mystery box filled with clothing. You guys know how much I enjoy that. I want to tell you first off, I am so happy that you are here. I am so happy that I am here today, guys. It has been a minute since I have made a YouTube video, and my videos may not be consistent for a little while longer. I'll tell you why. There is a big construction project going on at my mother's house, and I have had to be there every single day. It is so hard to steal away to make a video, and I really want to share with you everything that I am picking up and finding and selling in my Poshmark closet. It's just been crazy. I know you understand. I mean, because my life is really no different than yours. Life gets lifey, and that's where we're at right now. But I would rather be making videos and sharing things with you than probably, well, than a lot of other things. Definitely more than construction. So welcome to my channel. Whoo! Guys, I feel like I'm out of practice, so bear with me. Today's video is really special. I do have a box. You guys just saw the box filled with clothing to share with you. This box was created by a friend of mine. My friend's name is Christina, and she has a brand new YouTube channel, and that is why I am making this video. Guys, I want you to meet my friend Christina over at Hangry Hangers here on YouTube. She is also on Instagram, and I am leaving her links. They'll be the first links in the description box below, and it would mean the world to me if you would go to her YouTube channel, show her some love, watch her videos, and definitely subscribe and follow her on Instagram. She makes a very inspiring and encouraging content on Instagram, and that's the vibe. Those are the people that I want surrounding me. If you feel the same way, you will definitely want to follow Christina. And in today's video, I am going to unbox and share with you everything that Christina sent me to sell in my Poshmark closet. I don't know if I mentioned that she's a Poshmark seller as well. I think I just made that assumption. So yes, I'm going to link her Poshmark closet below. And guys, she is selling mystery boxes. Mystery boxes for $25 for 5 to 7 pieces. And that, you see right here, this looks like a belt. And her mystery boxes could have shoes, clothing, and accessories. And $25 for 5 to 7 pieces. And I know she is trying to include at least one new with tags in every box. So if you are looking for inventory, make sure that you follow the link in the description box below. You can pick up a mystery box from Christina. I can't wait to get into this, guys. I'm going to, hold on just a moment. Let me get it all out of plastic. Okay, here is the first piece that was on top. This is a leather belt. Let me get up close so you can see that. The belt buckle, which is removable. You could put your own belt buckle on this, but that's really nice. A black leather buckle, and this is the belt, black leather. And this belt is used. Now, when I source for belts, I always check out the belt loops. You can see that this has been used, but really gently used. So there's a lot of life left in this. And this belt buckle, it is branded, and it's by VOGT, Vogt. Don't know the pronunciation, but there, you see it? There it is. Size 38. Okay, this is really nice. All right, first up is a sweater, and this is really a soft sweater as well. Okay, this is a cardigan sweater. It looks like this. Who are you? Madewell. Okay, Madewell, size medium. You guys probably are already familiar with this brand, Madewell. This is so soft, and it's in really good condition. I have to check out the fabrics. Nylon, merino wool, alpaca, and elastane. I love alpaca blends. That is one thing I've noticed in Hangry Hanger. In her videos, she sources a lot of really nice fabrics, and that's a great way to source, because people are actually searching for alpaca or merino wool. And merino wool does get holes in it. This one seems to be in pretty good shape, so I'll go over everything with a fine-tooth comb before I get it listed, but this is really nice. All right, the next piece is some denim, and I love me some denim. These are cute. These are Free People. I have never sold Free People denim. This is so nice. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. A little zipper detail. These are skinnies, I think. Probably a skinny ankle. That's what the back looks like. These are Free People waist a 31. I might have to try these on because I don't know what all the rage is over Free People denim, but oh, you know what? I do have a Free People denim piece that I found in Albuquerque. They are still available in my closet, also size 31, but I find blue denim sells much better than colored denim, so I'm excited to try these. All right, the next piece is a color that I love. This is orange, and oh, this is a maxi dress. And it is a long maxi dress. And who are you? Let's see. THML. What? What size? A size small. This is beautiful. So pretty. Oh my gosh, this is in really nice shape. So I love that embroidery detail at the top, a halter neckline. It does have a cinched elastic waist. And it's long, very, very nice. Oh my God. Okay, and here is a belt, a matching belt. So that is rare to find, and I'm so glad to have the matching belt. This is so pretty. I love it. If you are a returning subscriber, you know I get really excited about clothing. This is a little t-shirt. Who are you? A t-shirt by Athleta. Let me see. Size is a size small Athleta right there. This is cute. Like, it feels like a cotton tee, scoop neck cotton tee with the stripes. That's nice. Like I was saying, I do get really excited about clothing. I often picture myself in the clothing. This is a loft size small. This is an animal print tunic length sweater. I think this is a sweater. I don't know. I would wear this sweater with leggings, style it with leggings and knee boots, and yeah, Loft is a really good seller for me. I don't really pick up Loft in the thrift stores, but I love to get my hands on Loft at garage sales and the Goodwill bins, so I'm excited to have this. Okay, guys, this is it. This is the last piece in the box. Sadly, we've come to the bottom, and it's shoes. You know I love shoes. I would sell nothing but shoes if I didn't enjoy the clothing so much. Can you tell who these are just by looking at the bottom? Do you know that logo? If you're a shoe seller, you know that that is Vince Camuto. And Vince Camuto is a brand that does pretty well for me. I like the brand myself. He makes a nice quality shoe, generally made with leather and nice fabrics and leather and whatnot. So these are super cute. What size? 7.5, which is about a half size too small for me. Otherwise, I would definitely give these a go. I'm a big fan of loafers myself. These are like a maroon laser cut. Let's see the toes. You can see those toes there. They look pretty good. And the heels look good too. Let me share those with you. Heels looking good. Yeah. Okay, these look nice, and yeah, these are definitely going to sell. And this is actually a really nice style for both summer, spring, fall, because of the laser cut. Yeah, these will be nice and cool ventilation for your feet. So guys, I'm going to get everything listed in my Poshmark closet for sale. I'm so excited. Every single thing in here are items that I would pick up for myself if I was out thrifting. So that's awesome. And that's it. That's the video. I want to thank Christina over at Hangry Hangers for sending me a really remarkable box. And I want to thank you, my viewers, for visiting Christina and showing her some support and love. I'll tell you what, YouTube is tough. It is really a tough gig, and it would just make my day if you can show this young lady some support because, oh, I didn't tell you, Christina has 4 children, and her husband serves in the military. He is active duty. So here's a fun fact that I've never shared on this channel before. My parents actually met in the U.S. Army. They were in Japan. Their paths crossed. They met. They fell in love. When they came back stateside and were released from the Army, they ended up marrying and starting the family that I am part of. So, and I don't think I've shared this. My husband is a Navy veteran. So we here in the Schaffner family, we support our troops. Even bigger than that, we support the family. families that support the troops. So if you are like-minded, please visit Christina over at Hangry Hangers. Guys, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. Join me for another video. I'll see you in the next one. Guys, this is the next one. This is the epic bins haul. I spent a lot of time at the Goodwill bins, and I can't wait to share it with you. I'll see you next time. Blessings.